Hey guys, welcome back to How to Make a Cardboard Airplane Part 2. So in the last video, we left off with how to make the steering thing. Looks like that. If you didn't watch that one I linked it in the description below the YouTube video. So please check that one out first. Now, like I said. So for this part, I'm going to be putting it onto the airplane. So first, I'm going to tip the box and put it right there. You can put it wherever you want, but I'm going to put it in the middle there. Now, I'm going to use tape to tape it. You guys can use glue because I don't have glue at the minute right now. So I'm going to go get tape. Okay, guys, I'm back with the tape. But you guys use glue, not tape, okay? I'm only using tape because I don't have glue at the moment, but use glue to do it. Okay, guys, so I put tape here. Next, you're going to want to place it in the middle. Not where the wings are, in the middle. You're going to put it like that. So basically, where the wings are going to be on this side. So don't put it where the wings are supposed to be. Now, make sure it's nice and secure because you're going to be sitting in it. Yeah, you're going to be sitting in it. Hey guys, this part you're gonna get another sheet of white blank paper. Actually, you guys can get line paper, whichever paper you have. If you don't have any blank sheet of paper, you can use whatever paper you have actually. But this part I'm gonna be making the engine. You guys can use toilet paper rolls, but I don't really have toilet paper rolls. So yeah. So first I'm gonna get some scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna get some scissors and I'm going to, cut it in half. It's okay if it's not equal. If you have toilet paper rolls, use toilet paper rolls. I don't really have toilet paper rolls. So you're gonna cut the paper like this. This is the engine. So basically you're gonna have two rolls going here, like this. So first you're gonna roll it like this. So first you're gonna do this, however thick you want them. So basically it's gonna be like this circle. Next you're gonna grab glue and glue it, but I don't really have glue at the moment, so I'm just gonna use tape. But use glue. You're gonna do the exact same thing with your other half or toilet paper roll. If you have a toilet paper roll, skip this part ahead. Yeah. I'm gonna skip video. So I did the exact same thing with the other part. So then I'm just gonna put it here. Now this part I don't really know what to do. Because you're gonna be sticking it at the back. So I'll be telling you how to do that later. You can do it whichever way you want actually. So I'm gonna design this, but if you guys don't want to design it, then you don't have to design it. It's totally up to you. So basically you're going to get gray. So basically you're going to get gray and you're going to draw, you're going to color this gray. Kind of in a scribbly way. I'm going to do this in a design. I'm going to try and color it gray like this. I'm gonna put scratches on it because the engine usually has a little bit of scratches on it. But if you don't want to put scratches on it, you can just color it gray or don't do anything with it. Then I'm just gonna do that. I want mine to look realistic. Okay, I put scratches on it. Next, we're gonna attach it to the airplane. Ah! Okay, you're not gonna do it by screaming at a piece of box. So, basically, I think, if you use toy, you guys have hot glue guns. You know those hot glue guns? You guys have a hot glue gun? You guys need like a really strong glue to do this. I'm not talking about super glue. But to do this, you're not going to use stick glue. You know that stick, if you've been using stick glue, you're not going to be using stick glue. It's not going to get here. So you're going to put it here. If you guys have toilet paper rolls, use a glue gun and attach them on here. But if you guys are using paper, then this is exactly what you're going to do. This part, I think, there's no other way for me to do this except using hot glue, but I'm just going to use tape. So basically, you're just going to try and tape it there. You're going to grab tape and just try and you're going to put the tape right there wherever you want it to go, and then you're going to do that. Like that. I'm going to put it on both sides because I want it to be stabilized and stuff. Like that. Just like that. Like that. That's what you're going to do. Just like that. I'm going to put more tape. You're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, guys. Now that you see that I've added that, this is going to be the engine. Brum brum. So it should look like this. Just like that. Now, for the wing, we're going to be moving on to the wing. I'm going to make it. So for the wing, you don't have to add anything, but I want to add something. You can just add something on the wings, like a paper. You can just color up the plane if you want it to look white with paper or whatever. But I'm not really going to do that. Next thing you're going to do is, you know how I told you how to make that key button to put in the key? I'm going to tell you how to make the key now. Listen up. This is going to be very interesting. You're going to get a stick. I got a stick. I got a stick. I repeat, I have a stick. This is my stick. So, or you could just use whatever stick, but this is a pencil. Don't really use a pencil. This one's useless. But I'm going to use, you can use anything that looks stick-like. I'm going to use this. You're going to get another white sheet of paper or whatever paper. You're just going to get paper. That's it. So basically, you guys, you're just going to grab it and you're going to measure how big you want your key to be. So for this, I just used, and you can use a pencil, marker, whatever you guys want. It's totally up to you guys. But I'm just going to make a circle like that. I just made it like this. If you guys can really see. I don't even know if you guys can see. But I made it, you guys can kind of see that's how I made it. Next thing, I'm going to cut it out. Snoop, snoop. Snip, snip. Yes, yes. As you guys can see, I made the key like this. This is going to be the key. Now, then you're going to want to stick it to it. I'm going to be using tape. I don't really know if you guys can use glue for this. I think you should use tape. But if you don't have tape, it's totally fine. Anything that's sticky, whatever you think that can hold up this. Next thing, you don't have to do this, just an extra part. I want this to be stable, you know me. I'm going to cut out a little thin piece of, I'm going to cut out some paper. Like that. I'm going to measure it. I'm just going to keep measuring it basically. And try to, well, make it make it not have that thing. Okay, now that I have that, I'm basically now I'm just gonna tape it once more. You guys can use glue for this part, but I'm just using tape. Do you know what I'm gonna say? Obviously, you guys should know what I'm gonna say. Whatever. Now, you guys can draw. This is supposed to be me, but it turned out more like a bear or a bunny. Now, for this, I'm gonna draw some cute little eyes. Some cute ones. See one circle. You guys don't have to do this, but I am. Then I'm gonna draw a nose. Oh wait, that's the wrong color. I have so many colors of red. There's so many colors of red. Seriously, getting out of hand. Okay, let's look at my mouth. Okay, my mouth is pretty cute. Now, where's my marker? Whiskies. Now, I drew me. Looks like a rabbit. It looks like a rabbit. Okay, you guys can draw whatever animal you want. Now, this will be the key. How to activate. This is the key. Oh. The key, I like the key. It's time to beat. Next thing, and then depends how big your box is, but you guys can add seats. Did you know that? So basically, you just get another box and then just place it there. Let me go get one. For example, I can use this red stool. I'm gonna put the camera a bit higher. Now, as you guys can see, it's totally empty. But I can just add a little stool here if I wanted. And you guys I have a red cup and I just added it there. And you guys don't have to add seats if you don't want to. Now, this will be the end of the video. You guys can probably add more to your airplane if you guys want. But don't forget your key. You don't want to be locking yourself in an airplane. Well, I will be making videos with my airplane in it. Now, hope you guys like this video. Remember to like and subscribe. And please like. Now, bye guys.